Protection Committee and Awang Sekmai Advanced Women's Society have begun an indefinite ban along Imphal-Dimapur Road, protesting against alleged land encroachment by the army upon Sekmai area of Imphal West. Vehicles were off the National Highway 2 and shops and market remained shut in the area due to the strike which began at 6 a.m. today. India successfully conducted the first night trial of nuclear-capable intermediate-range ballistic missile Agni-2 from the Abdul Kalam Island of the Orissa coast yesterday. The Strategic Forces Command of the Indian Army test-fired the versatile surface-to-surface medium-range nuclear-capable missile from Launching Complex 4 of the Integrated Test Range last evening. The rally hunger strike by Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee entered its second day today. The strike is in demand of prompt disclosure of Indo-Naga Agreement and a special assembly session. Pakhangba Services and M. Manglem Charitable Eye Clinic, in collaboration with Loitong Khunau Young Sport Association, jointly organized a one-day free eye camp at Loitang Khunau Mamanglaikat. The eye camp was organized under the aegis of Manipur Finance Services. More than 100 local people turned up to the eye camp. Zonal Education Office, Jiribam, under the aegis of Department of Education S and Department of Transport, Government of Manipur, organized a quiz competition at PWD Guest House, Babupara, Jiribam today. The competition was held under the theme Know Your State. As a part of the 66th All India Cooperative Week Celebration 2019, a program on the theme Strengthening Cooperation Among Cooperatives was held today at the Conference Hall of the Manipur State Cooperative Bank Limited, All Assembly Road, Imphal. As a part of the security measures taken up by police in Imphal City, Imphal West Police conducted a cordon and search operation in Kaisampat area this morning. Houses in the area were searched and residents were verified. 43 Assam Rifles Battalion More today felicitated retired rifleman Sarkidhan Thapa of 43 Assam Rifles on his 103rd birthday at IB 43 Assam Rifles Complex More. Commandant of 43 Assam Rifles More Sumit Sood, Major Akshay, Major Parvez Kumar and several ex-servicemen attended the event. 3 Naga Unsung Heroes were awarded by Governor of Maharashtra Bhagat Singh Koshyari during the first Northeast Unsung Heroes Red Carpet Social Award 2019 held in Mumbai on November 5th. Pakistan on Friday became the first country in the world to introduce a new typhoid vaccine in an effort to combat a drug-resistant strain of the potentially fatal disease in the Sindh province. Pakistani health officials have reported an ongoing outbreak of an extensively drug-resistant typhoid fever that began in the country on November 2016. The strain of Salmonella typhi bacteria, which has become a so-called superbug, has so far infected around 11,000 people in the country, with Sindh province the worst hit.